Hello everyone, today we'll be showing you how you can put together a nutritious meal, even at a restaurant like PF Chang's, by making sure we can get an appropriate amount of fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy in. This is the entree menu, and one example of a less healthy item on the menu is the orange chicken. It contains 760 calories, 7 grams of saturated fat, and 830 milligrams of sodium per serving. This dish is very high in calories, sodium, and added sugars, making it a much less nutritious option. So now we will have to look at the entree menu again, where we find beef with broccoli. PF Chang's beef and broccoli entree covers both vegetable and protein categories very well. It contains 430 calories, 6 grams of saturated fat, and 1,660 milligrams of sodium. Although it is higher in sodium compared to orange chicken, it provides a solid 30 grams of protein per serving from the beef and a portion of vegetables through the broccoli. So we actually ordered the beef and broccoli entree menu today. We see a generous amount of broccoli, our vegetable group, and we also see a generous amount of beef, our protein. Today we ordered brown rice as a side to eat with our beef and broccoli entree. My plate recommends picking whole grains when possible, so picking brown rice would be a great option. It provides fibers and is perfect to eat with beef and broccoli as a full meal. Brown rice has 190 calories, no saturated fat, 40 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of protein. So now we're on to the fruit group. PF Chang's offers a kids fruit cup which contains a variety of fresh fruits which covers the fruit group. The fruits included may vary, but we know fruits are a great source of vitamins and minerals. This kids fruit cup contains 30 calories, 5 milligrams of sodium, 6 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of fiber. So there aren't many items on the PF Chang's menu that covers the dairy group, but one of the simplest ways to meet this category is by ordering the milk. We were not able to order the kids milk, but we did add a cup of 2% milk to our meal. Even though this dairy item only appears on the kids menu, it still counts as a dairy serving for anyone, and it's an easy way to add calcium, vitamin D, as well as other nutrients to our meal. This contains 180 calories, 4.5 grams of saturated fat, 18 grams of sugar, and 12 grams of protein. There is one way to add more fruit to our meal. Since the fruit cup only appears on the kids menu, the portion can be a little small for adults, so if someone wants even more fruit, they can honestly order another fruit cup. So one way to add more vegetables is to add a house salad on the side for more fibers or vitamin A and C. This house salad contains 160 calories, 1 gram of saturated fat, 4 grams of fiber, and 8 grams of sugar.